Hi, today I'm going to talk about some drainage hole modifications for winter sowing jugs for people that live out in the hot weather, the warm weather, or the desert, which is the same thing. I've moved out to Southern California from Ohio, so my winter sowing is going to be quite different. And I was sitting here doing all my jugs, and I'm in the middle of doing a big video called Real World Winter Sowing 2018, and I just thought you had to know this because I know a lot of you live in the warm climates and you would start drilling your holes. So I haven't tested this because I just moved here, but I usually recommend on the bottom of the jugs, let me see if I can get you a better picture, I do 4 to 6 holes. You can see that's about the size of the hole I drill right there. Right there. I don't know what size that is, 3/16 maybe. I've gone up to 1/4 inch. So I did 4 to 6 holes on the bottom, and then I used to do 2 holes on the side, about 1 inch up from the bottom. That's a little low. I usually go about 1 inch up from the bottom in case the bottom holes clog, okay? And I do my starter hole for my scissors because I cut them with scissors, and I have a particular place I like them. I like them opposite where the handle is. That's my starter hole. So what the modification is for the hot weather desert gardeners is I'm just going on my gut, but now I've lived here for about 6-8 weeks, and I know it's so darn hot here. I am only doing 2 holes on the bottom. I did 3 on the first couple, and then I thought, no, 2 holes is enough, and I'm only doing 1 hole on the side. That's kind of my anti-clog hole, okay, instead of 2. And then I'm doing, of course, my guidance hole. And then I take a pair of scissors, and I cut it around, and this is what it ends up looking like. Cut, and I leave my hinge, my 1-inch hinge, opposite the handle. And I like it just nice and flat so it tapes easily. I don't like being up in that curved part right there. Let's see if I can flip it down for you. So anyway, that's my modification for hot weather or warm weather people. I'm pretty darn sure this is going to be correct because it's so hot here. I want to retain all that water in there. When I was in Ohio and doing snowy, icy, cold, rainy winter sowing, these things got floating. I mean, they were soaking wet, and I'd get algae and mold. So we needed 6 drainage holes and 2 on the side. So that's my tip for today. If you're a warm winter sower, a hot desert winter sower, please go down in the comments and let me know how many holes you drill in yours for drainage. And that'll help us all see if the modification is valuable. Let me know if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up is always appreciated. Sending you much love from my garden, my kitchen floor, to yours. See you next video.